Introducing the AIMCO-250 Portable Torque Tester, a compact and versatile device designed to revolutionize your torque measurement processes. This advanced torque tester packs a multitude of features into a small, portable package, making it an essential tool for quality control and assembly professionals. With a versatile mounting design, the AIMCO-250 simplifies testing of both pistol and inline tools, ensuring accurate torque measurements regardless of the tool type. The inclusion of bevel washer joint kits enables precise simulation of application joint characteristics, enhancing the accuracy and reliability of your torque measurements. The AIMCO-250 features an intuitive Auditor Series menu structure that allows for quick and easy startup. The user-friendly interface minimizes training time and enables operators of all skill levels to utilize the tester efficiently. The AIMCO-250 offers 3 modes of operation: track, peak, and first peak. These modes provide flexibility in capturing different torque measurement requirements, allowing you to select the most appropriate option based on your specific application. With a bidirectional accuracy of 1% of the indicated reading within the top 90% of full scale, the AIMCO-250 delivers precise and reliable torque measurements. This accuracy is crucial for ensuring the quality and consistency of your assembly processes. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the AIMCO-250 Portable Torque Tester. Its compact size, versatile mounting design, intuitive menu structure, and precise measurements make it an indispensable tool for quality control and assembly professionals. Invest in the AIMCO-250 and experience the confidence that comes with accurate torque measurements.